are you all doing? Waiting for some people to join, and then we'll start with the amazing healthy recipe. This light is hurting me. If it's, anything can be done with that. Oh yeah, we already have 13 viewers. No, it raised to 21. I have first viewer, Mr. Pranab Das. Hi Pranab, how are you doing? Yeah, we have viewers coming up. Hi guys, welcome to the Amul live session. I am Harshita Agarwal. Most of you would have seen me in MasterChef India season 6. Today we will be doing an amazing healthy cake recipe, banana cake recipe. Healthy because it has banana. It does not have refined flour. Throughout the lockdown period, we all have been eating much of maida and refined flour. So we decided to go healthy today with this recipe. And yes guys, first of all I would like to thank all of you for joining here, and thank Amul for the amazing initiative which is reaching to the people for all its viewers. I mean, how amazing it is. Amul page is full of recipes out of amazing Amul products we create, isn't it? I mean, you want some good recipes, scroll up to Amul page and I'm sure you'll get one. Cheers to Amul guys, thumbs up. Yeah, wow. Okay guys, with this we'll start our recipe, which is eggless whole wheat banana cake. Here in the bowl I have taken mashed bananas, and they are over mashed, over ripened. This is the peel I just did to save the time. You see the color of the peel? That's how the banana should be. In case you want to do it and you do not have the mashed banana at the home, you can always put it in the oven or micro oven. It takes 15 minutes and you get this texture. And micro I haven't really tried. You will have to figure out आपके घर के oven की setting के accordingly. So we'll begin with the recipe now. Cheers guys. Looking for an amazing interactive sessions. All of your queries would be answered, and do not worry about the quantities. There would be people joining in between texting like how many grams of yogurt or something. Don't worry, I'll write it. So just concentrate on the technique. Can I have the comment section going off right now, because I want to see if they see clearly. Let me just figure out, guys. We are all new to shifting this virtual lifestyle. I want this comment section off. Perfect guys. There we begin. This is the bowl. 2 mashed bananas. Mash them very nicely. Mash them with the help of the fork. I just did that before the session to save our time, so we can talk, interact. I'll try to entertain all the queries. You can leave your queries in the comment section. Bananas. And then we'll add in sugar. We have taken 2 kinds of sugar, brown sugar and caster sugar. Can anybody tell me why do we have brown sugar? Why are we putting it here? I'll wait for the answers and then I'll answer back later. Whisk them properly. Okay, I have a electric whisker at home, but then I decided to use the hand whisk because this is mostly approachable. Like, there is nothing fancy about it, and most of us can easily access it. And my recipes, I aim at making it approachable to everyone. I just love people trying them out. Mix them very nicely. You don't have to use the regular sugar in it. It is not recommended because it leaves its granules, and we don't want the texture of the cake going bad. Right guys? After all the effort we do. So I have kind of creamed the banana and sugar very nicely. There are no granules left. Now we'll add the curd. Here I am using Amul Masti Dahi, which is 60 grams, and its texture is amazing, and I have something a little personal with Amul Masti Dahi. In MasterChef, I got eliminated in the Amul Masti Dahi challenge. Since then, I've been using it like almost daily to perfect my art of using the Amul Masti Dahi. It's nicely whisked, incorporated. That was around 60 grams of yogurt, guys, and make sure to whisk it in the same direction. And guys, now we'll add the oil. This is the normal vegetable oil, soybean oil. Make sure not to use any strong oil as in olive oil or mustard oil, unless the recipe calls for it, because they have a very strong flavor of their own. So it is not recommended at all. Adding in the oil, guys. And along with it, yes, Amansha, there are queries? I'll answer them, guys, don't worry, I'm very good at it. I want recipes to be approached by everyone. I'm adding here half teaspoon of vanilla essence. No, guys, it is 1. That's 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, guys. What is the query we have regarding sugar?
Quantity of sugar.
Quantity of sugar. Okay, guys, I have taken 1:1 ratio. Total sugar that goes in the recipe is 100 grams, and I have taken 50 grams of brown sugar and 50 grams of castor sugar. And the rest I have left up to you guys. You guys should tell me why I'm using brown sugar. You know, what could be the possible reason, guys? You can always use jaggery in it. Make sure you grate the dollops of jaggery, you know, nicely. You don't want lumps into the mixture. See, now the oil has started floating. We've added oil and vanilla essence. We want a homogeneous mixture out of it. Homogeneous means it does not separate like oil is separated, banana is separated. We do not want that at all. I didn't prefer jaggery because it's hot here in Amritsar and I'm already adding walnuts. So yeah, this works for me. You can add in ginger powder for more flavor, cinnamon powder, that works great as well. Yeah, I have my husband helping me. He's been quite good with me today. Use of brown sugar for dark color. Yes, it definitely adds to good color as well, texture. Okay, let me answer. I am using brown sugar because brown sugar cakes makes the cake more moist. You can, you know, research over it. It has a texture that has molasses in it. You know, it helps with extra moistureness and moist cake. You know, when you press it, it just bounces it back. That's the best part about it. Yes, sugar. I have a query that says sugar. Yeah, I told that jaggery can be substituted with the sugar. We are using 100 grams of sugar in this recipe. To substitute, you add 100 grams of jaggery. There is no change in the quantity. The quantity of jaggery remains the same. And I was going through certain live videos on Amul page. It said, I'll get back to the query soon, guys. I was going through the live sessions, the previous ones Amul conducted, and I just realized there are so many people asking about the measurement and the recipes. To avoid that kind of problem, I will write all of them in the comment on the post section, so which is accessible to everyone. Cheer up, guys, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm a good girl and good chef. Okay, so this is like a 1 bowl recipe. Created the homogeneous mixture, and then now it's time for us to add our dry ingredients. I'll keep my whisk here to rest a bit. Guys, this is like 130 grams of whole wheat flour, which is like 1 cup of atta, no maida. So, and make it a thumb rule when it comes to baking. Always sieve your dry ingredients. Now what I'll do is I'll add in all my dry ingredients in the sieve, and then we'll sieve down in the bowl. So this recipe calls for baking powder. Okay, most of the recipes, the quantity of baking soda is less than baking powder. But in this recipe, the quantity of baking powder and baking soda is same. That is half teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. Because we do not have any other leavening agent. Leavening means rising agent. So this will give amazing texture, moist, rise to our cake. And make sure to always level your ingredients, so you don't end up putting heaped of them. Baking soda in half teaspoon, and then is the baking powder. You see, I'm putting up all my dry ingredients in the sieve. And then we have some salt, which is also half teaspoon. I just have a habit of leavening the agents no matter how good they are in. So there goes our salt, our last dry ingredient. So in the sieve, guys, we have whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda and salt. You see the motion of my hand, guys? Okay, can you guys tell me, why do we prefer adding oil in the cakes? Why not butter? I am a little obsessed with adding butters, but in cakes I feel oil works better. Can anybody of you? Oh, thank you guys, I've been getting a lot of good wishes. Oh, thank you. I told you I'm a good girl, I'll give you the detailed recipe. See, I have learned a lot, and I'm learning is a constant thing for me, and I know how it matters to have every detail of the recipe. So yes guys, here we have our dry ingredients in the bowl. I'll be whisking it just nicely enough to incorporate. We'll not be, over mixing it or going gaga over it, mixing it badly. No, this has incorporated a bit. See, I'm no wastage or a little economical person. Even on the live, I'll be using all the batter that is left after my whisk. Yeah, there we have. There comes the spatula, scraping off the sides. You just have to fold it. Make sure there are no lumps. The flour is evenly mixed. Temperature, time, different size of convection oven. Okay guys, I'll tell you something. I'm a baker. I've been baking for like 5 to 6 years now, and I learned basic things from home itself, and then later I took the professional classes. When baking a cake, make it a thumb rule to put the, okay, first of all, let's talk about the preheating of the oven. For example, if you have a very ordinary oven, you put the bottom rod up and the upper rod on, preheat that. If you have fan, put that on, and when it I'm talking about the very ordinary oven, right? From the basics we'll start. You preheat with both the rods on, and when you are about to put the cake in, make sure to turn off the upper rod. You don't want your cake to burn. If you put the upper rod on, your cake will get burned, and you'll feel like your cake is done, but the center of it would be like runny and uncooked. So no over mixing, guys. Yes, 180 degree. So guys, this is the tin. And our no fuss 1 bowl batter is ready. Now we'll transfer it into the pan. And coming back to the oven setting, if you have an oven that has convection, it is always good option to have the fan on. It just speeds up the baking process. Here I've lined up my tin with the butter paper at the bottom and greased the sides with the oil. Pouring in the batter. Make sure you don't fill the whole tin. If you have the batter left, you can always make a muffin out of it. And then we'll tap it a bit to just flatten it. Okay, so here I have already chopped Amul dark chocolate. This one, and I'll be putting this on the top of it as a garnish. I love banana and chocolate. I just love it. Yeah. Then you can always top it with some banana. Take a banana, slit it into half, place it. It really looks good. It looks amazing as a tea cake. More chocolate means more fun. I'm a chocolate person, guys. So adding as many possible chocolate chunks I can. Yeah. And then I have taken around 5 to 10 grams of oats. I would like to top my cake with it. It just gives another level texture and looks great as well. These are the normal rolled oats, guys. So, sorry. There we have our 1 bowl healthy whole wheat eggless cake is ready to go in the oven. Easy and quick, guys. Yeah. So I'll be putting this in the oven. And yeah, we just left the oven thing in between. Coming back to it, let me tell you guys, make it a thumb rule. When baking a cake, always put on the bottom rod and fan. If you don't have a fan, it is okay. You can always do it with the bottom rod on and preheating the oven with upper and lower grill. But when the cake goes in, make sure to put off the upper grill. This is the case of the ordinary and non-fancy ovens. I have a IFB oven, I guess. I preheat at 180 degree for 15 minutes. Okay, now this takes a little more time in winters. So I have set a standard of like 15 to 20 minutes. Even now some of my family members just preheated the oven for cake to go in. We'll be baking it at 180 degree for 30 to 35 minutes or until, okay, so here I would like to talk about the oven set timing. There are certain recipes which just specify times. According to me and according to my experience, it is you who decide the timing because every oven works differently. Every oven, like sometimes in my oven a thing takes like, it's ready in 30 minutes, but in winters it takes like 35 minutes. So I can't just go and point out, oh my god, you said me 30, it's not done in 30. So you always have to figure out your oven timing. That is the best thing, guys, right? And when, like, this is just a little extra piece of information, when you are making bread, the upper grill and the lower grill is into the use when baking the bread, that is pav, bun, bread, whatever. Through with it, guys. Let me go through it. Excellent explanation. Thank you for providing the recipe upfront. Welcome, welcome. It's my pleasure. Baking cake is always using lower rod only. Yes, always lower rod when baking the cake. And if you don't have a fancy kind of oven or regular oven, you can put the upper and lower rod on, and then for preheating, and then when you decide to put in the cake, make sure you put off the upper rod. हिंदी में बोले, sorry मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगी अब. Not showing what? Yeah, the cake is ready. Here we are. It is ready to go in the oven. And meanwhile, I just decided to take some queries. I have the cake, guys. I have the cake to show you guys. There we have the cake. This is how it is going to look. We are going to cut it and celebrate the one with the Amul family. Can you guys see it clearly? Give me a thumbs up, guys. I have a query here. When cake's done, we leave an oven or take it out immediately? We take it out immediately and leave it to cool on the wire rack. And I prefer cutting my cakes only after 2 hours. So, you see the rise. मतलब कोई कह सकता है कि ये बिना अंडे का केक है और आटे का केक है, और ये एकदम डेंस भी नहीं है. This is the best part. So let me just clear the counter. मैं थोड़ा काउंटर क्लियर करती हूँ. And then मैंने सोचा कि आज मैं अपनी अमूल फैमिली को गार्निश करना भी थोड़ा बताऊंगी. You know, whenever you work, make it a point to clear counters along with. Clear counters are sign of clear minds. I learned this in MasterChef, guys. You can see this clearly. You want me to cut it as it is, or you know, put some truffle icing, something like that, or garnish it for you? Ma'am, I have already provided the recipe in the post section. No, we do not need to keep the wet clothes to moist it. It is already very moist. You will have to try this recipe to trust me, guys. Okay, what if we have a OTG? If you have a OTG, I guess OTG has the lower grill and the upper grill, it does not have the fan, so it works. I already mentioned the settings without the fan. Okay guys, so I would like to garnish it a bit for you guys. Here I had some chocolate ganache ready. I made it from the Amul chocolate, which is 2 parts of the chocolate and 1 part of the cream. 2 parts of this dark chocolate and 1 part of the Amul cream that we get in the market. I prefer using Amul fresh cream. So I like to fight this out. Yeah, we have the AC on, due to which this just decided to get a little hard, but it's workable. Yeah, I need some time with this. Do we have to demold the cake immediately after taking it out from oven? Yeah, you can start the demolding after like 10 minutes, and make sure to run the thinnest possible knife in the house around the sides of the cake. So guys, now I'll be concentrating on, you know, garnishing. I really want to show you guys. You know, it got a little thick because of the temperature. Otherwise it's like it runs like anything. But this works. Why cake becomes sticky even after following the entire recipe perfectly? Okay guys, this happens whenever you take the cake out. Make sure you place it on the cooling rack. Placing it on the cooling racks allow the excess moisture to go out of the cake. इफ इट स्टेज इन द टिन फॉर टू लॉन्ग द मॉइस्चर जो है केक का वो बाहर नहीं जाता है, जिसके कारण वो स्टिकी हो जाता है या डीमोल्ड नहीं होता है बाद में. मेक श्योर कि केक मोल्ड में 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा किसी भी हाल में मत रखिएगा. मैं इसमें काफ़ी ब्लंडर्स कर चुकी हूँ, तो दिस इज कमिंग फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस गाइज. Wiped it a bit, and then I'll put the camera on, here a bit, and then we'll garnish it with some walnuts. Okay guys, always prefer toasted dry roasted walnuts, because walnuts or any kind of nuts in your recipe. ड्राई रोस्ट करने से ये हो जाता है कि हमारा जो नट है वो सॉगी नहीं होता और एक एक्स्ट्रा लेवल टेक्सचर देता है. अगर नट सॉगी हो वो बहुत अलग सा अनप्लेजेंट टेस्ट देता है. तो कभी भी आप बेकिंग कर रहे हैं उसमें नट्स का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं केक्स में, मेक श्योर कि वो रोस्टेड हो, ड्राई रोस्टेड. I'll place walnuts. There is some reason I do not like walnuts inside the cake but outside it. So yeah, you guys see it. Does it look fine? I know this is not the best version I've made ever, like for the presentation purposes, but for the live session it should be great. Quick light. And then I have some silver leaf. This just adds a little extra dimension. मैं नहीं चाहती थी कि मैं एक सिंपल ड्राई केक आप लोगों के सामने ला के रख दूँ. मैं चाहती थी कि एक अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन जो हो, जो आप इंजॉय करें, क्योंकि हिंदुस्तान में कहते हैं इंसान पहले आंखों से खाता है. सो हियर वी हैव सिल्वर लीफ गार्निश. Our cake is ready guys. Looks good. It's workable. I have a question here, ma'am. How to measure tin size for 1, 2, 3 cup of flour? Okay, हमेशा याद रखिएगा कि अपना टिन कभी भी फुल फिल नहीं करना है. You always fill more than half of it, ताकि टिन राइज हो, केक राइज हो और बैटर ओवरफ्लो नहीं हो. Now guys, let's cut this cake. The moment of reveal. Yes, so moist, man. There we go. You see the texture? You see how it's bouncing back? How soft and moist it is? Great. Oh, I have got a comment. Yummy. Superb, looking nice. See, how do I show you? I wish you guys were here. But anyways, this just bounces back. Look, can you guys see it? Just does. It is that soft. Yeah. And make sure not to cut the cake immediately after out of the oven. Maybe 2 hours, rest is fine. Texture looks good. I am telling you, this cake is amazing. You have to try it. This is no fuss. एक कटोरे में हमने केक बना लिया बिना अंडे के, बिना मैदे के, और इसमें कोई भी ऐसा फैंसी इंग्रेडिएंट नहीं है जिसके कारण आप ये रेसिपी ना बना पाएँ. मेरा इंस्टाग्राम हैंडल है harshita.masterchef एंड हर्षिता अग्रवाल के नाम से एक फेसबुक पेज भी है. आप लोगों की कोई भी क्वेरी हो, यू कैन leave me there regarding the recipe. And also I do share such amazing recipes on my Instagram handle, that again is harshita.masterchef. So let me go through some. Which oil you have used? Ma'am, I have used the regular oil, fortune oil, I guess. Vegetable oil. I have a question here. While baking, do we switch on the fan? And which rod is switched on? Ma'am, I have already mentioned it. The bottom rod on and the fan on always works good. If you don't have, it will just take a little extra, max to max 5 minutes. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. Please repeat the recipe. You can watch the video on the page. Glad guys, I'm getting a lot of appreciation comments. It feels immense pleasure that I'm able to communicate one of the healthiest recipes to any number of people. It is my pleasure. Which other fruit can be used? Okay, this is a very good question guys. देयर आर कई रेसिपीज हैं जो एग का सब्स्टिट्यूट बनाना देती हैं, पर एक चीज याद रखिएगा कि आप हर रेसिपी में एग को बनाना से सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि एग के कई रोल होते हैं. एग का रोल होता है हाइट देना, टेक्सचर देना. इस केक में हमें एग ने हाइट नहीं दी है, ना ही बनाना ने हाइट दी है, एक टेक्सचर और प्रोवाइड किया है. एग का एक सब्स्टिट्यूट होता है फ्लैक्सीड, उसको फ्लैक्सीड एग भी कहते हैं, विच इज लाइक द प्रेसिडेंट जो लोग एगलेस बेकिंग नहीं करते हैं. सो हर रेसिपी में हर चीज नहीं जाएगी. आप लोग को ट्राई करना होगा कि आपकी रेसिपी में क्या बेस्ट जा रहा है. इसमें बेकिंग सोडा है, बेकिंग पाउडर है, जो कि एक अच्छे लेवनिंग एजेंट्स है. वो एक परफेक्ट आपके इस केक को कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं कर पाएगा कि इसका टेक्सचर नहीं अच्छा है. The soda powder just does an amazing job, and whole wheat, I bet nobody at first go will able to know this is made up of 100% whole wheat flour. Can we use Amul cream instead of Amul yogurt? No ma'am, you cannot use Amul cream instead of yogurt, because yogurt has acid which reacts with the baking soda and it works well with the cake. तो ये रिएक्शन के लिए प्रोवाइड किया गया है इसमें दही का यूज. Do we have to demold cake? No, 15 minutes. Ma'am, right now Amul cream is not here. Which Amul cream is not available here. Can we use home milk cream? I have not used cream in this guys. मैंने दही का इस्तेमाल किया है. और जो गैनाश के लिए which is 2:1 proportion, आप क्रीम मैंने अमूल क्रीम का यूज किया है. आप नॉन डेयरी व्हिपिंग क्रीम का भी यूज कर सकते हैं, जो कि काफी इंडस्ट्रियल रेसिपीज करती हैं. ओके, यहाँ मुझे काफी क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं कन्वर्जन्स के लिए, लाइक हाउ मच इज 130 ग्राम्स ऑफ फ्लावर. आपको कभी भी कन्वर्जन के लिए प्रॉब्लम हो, रेफर टू गूगल ऑलवेज ऑफर लाइक हाउ मच इज 130 ग्राम्स इन कप्स. वहां पे आप इजीली ग्राम टाइप करेंगे और वो कप में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. वाई ऑयल नॉट बटर? ओ आई फॉरगॉट कि मैंने आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन दिया था. ओके, आप कभी भी बटर देखते हैं रूम टेम्परेचर पे कैसा होता है? इट इज सॉलिड, सेमी सॉलिड. और ऑयल कैसे लिक्विड स्टेट में होता है. तो ऑयल विल ऑलवेज गिव एक्स्ट्रा मॉइस्टनेस टू द केक. अगर आप इस केक में बटर ऐड करेंगे, इट विल नॉट बाउंस बैक दिस नाइसली. अगर बटर को थोड़ा मॉइस्चर लाने के लिए आपको उसको माइक्रो करना पड़ेगा. तो ऑलवेज कंपेयर द टेक्सचर ऑफ ऑयल क्या है रूम में और टेक्सचर ऑफ बटर क्या है रूम में. ऑब्वियसली ऑयल इज अ लिटिल लिक्विड, दैट वर्क्स बेटर. Did it work guys? Can we add cocoa powder? Then in what quantity? Okay, आप इसमें cocoa powder भी कर सकते हैं, chocolate cake हो जाएगा. You can add 120 grams of wheat flour and rest 10 grams you can add cocoa powder. Make sure to sift it. Why have you combined brown sugar and castor sugar? मैंने brown sugar और castor sugar इसलिए combine की है क्योंकि brown sugar हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा मॉइस्टनेस देगा केक को, क्योंकि उसमें मोलासेस है. कैन यू रिकैप द रेसिपी? It is a one bowl recipe, guys. You can always watch it on the Amul page. It will stay there. I have mentioned the ingredients in the post. Banana weight, please. Okay, we have to take 2 medium-sized bananas. If you have like big bananas, take 1.5. 2 medium-sized overripe banana. In all recipe we have to use oil? No, we do not have to use oil in all the recipes. हर रेसिपी की एक अलग रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, जैसा कि मैंने मेंशन किया. यू नो, मैं इसमें किसी रेसिपी में बनाना को एग का सब्स्टिट्यूट मैं बनाना कर रही हूँ या फ्लेक्स एग साथ कर रही हूँ, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो हर रेसिपी में जाएगा. यू विल ऑलवेज हैव टू ट्राई इट आउट टू चेक. Please come with cookie recipe. Oh, ma'am, I have an amazing cookie recipe on my Instagram handle. That is Subway style double chocolate chip cookie. You'll love it. And even वो भी एक healthy cookie है. आप उसमें रागी फ्लावर से बना सकते हैं, आटे से बना सकते हैं, और क्या चाहिए? Eggless भी है साथ में. It is like a bonus. थैंक यू मैम हिंदी में समझाने के लिए. यू नो, मैं भी कई बार हिंदी में ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल फील करती हूँ, बट that just goes in the flow. I am like so happy to be to be with you. Cake खा भी लो अब. Haha, definitely. First of all, I would like to give this cake to my husband, who actually doesn't love bananas, but उन्होंने मेरी काफ़ी मदद की है सुबह से setup create करने में. So this is like a cheers to Amul and our live session. This goes to my husband, but so yeah. Nice?
Very nice.
He's just saying it for the camera. He's not a banana cake person. He'll always have chocolate truffle otherwise. Can you tell the brownie recipe? Oh ma'am, I have an amazing brownie recipe on my Instagram handle. You can find it there, guys. Okay, my Instagram page is harshita.masterchef. It's connected to Facebook as well. On Facebook, it is Harshita Agarwal. So guys, this marks the end of our session and I would like to taste it a bit too. Damn, amazing. This is the recipe. Even if you follow me or do not follow me, आप सब try ज़रूर करिएगा and you will be stunned कि how it could be so great without eggs, without refined flour. Instagram ID I'll just mention in my comment sections after the live chat is over. So there it is, guys. This marks the end of our live session with Amul. And once again, I would like to thank you, Amul. You know why? I am not just saying it for the sake of it or just because I'm on Amul page. हमारे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने अमूल जो एक माइंड सेटअप है, वोकल फॉर लोकल, जो अभी हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने हमें कन्वे किया है, वो अमूल हमें इतने सालों से करता आ रहा है. आज भी मुझे मेरे घर में जब अमूल दूध डिलीवर होता है, आई फील अ सेंस ऑफ सेटिस्फैक्शन कि ये एक लोकल प्रोड्यूसर से आ रहा है, हमारे फार्मर्स को उसके पैसा जा रहा है. एंड ऑनेस्टली अमूल एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जो हम बचपन से बेधड़क खाते आ रहे हैं. देयर क्वालिटी एंड एवरीथिंग इज सो गुड. मार्केट में इतना एडल्ट्रेशन और सब आजकल चल रहा है. वन ब्रांड जो आंखें बंद करके सबके लिए लिया जा सकता है, दैट फॉर मी इज श्योरली अमूल. थैंक यू अमूल, थैंक यू फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ India since years. I'm lucky to be part of your initiative, which is providing recipes to every household. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I've been getting a lot of love. Stay safe, stay home, and keep supporting, guys. Love you.